So hello guys, welcome back to in my channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to identify your talent. So if you are to identify your talent, then this is the really great thing in your life that you want to identify your talent. Because if you want to identify your talent, that means you are going the real path of success. If you that means you want to do something in your life, you want to be success. Why? I can prove that because you want to find that works that you find interest, and you want to do that works that will take you to success. So without wasting our time, let's start with this video. So how to identify your talent? So first thing it is, I have three things, and this will really it helps you. First thing, build your new skill. Got it? Identify your talent is nothing, man. Don't think like talent. Nothing. Talent is nothing. If someone, if like like another person will say, like he's a talented person. Why? Did you ever like concentrate that? Did you ever think that? Why they think that? Because if you are a knowledgeable person, you if you have good information, if you have good skill, you have no hesitation, then they will think that he is a really talented person. Okay, got it? So first thing it is, you have to build your skill. No hesitation, there should be no any kind of hesitation. Build new another skill, and a skill that can help you. That is really important. And second thing it is, if you want to know what is my talent, so this is really very important. That is, give time at least half hour to think your mind. Give at least time, 30 minutes. Got it? Give 30 minutes to think your mind, like what your mind wants to become. Ask to your mind like, hey, what I want to become, what is really interest, what is really I feel interest. So guys, if you will get na, then that is the that you want to become. And third thing it is, there is also another person that they are thinking daily, but they are nothing getting. They are just they are irritating, like I'm not getting anything. I'm not getting anything. What I can do, I'm not getting. I think I'm really useless person. So if they are thinking, then they should do this thing. Third like point, that is, you know if you have confusion, like when you think 30 minutes, then your mind started disturb, like I'm not interested this. You started thinking that, then you started, I'm not interested in that work. But you know third thing is really important. Concentrate on it there. I started start getting information in every field. Suppose that in businessman, then you should search on YouTube or go chat gpt, tell me information about like businessman, how to become a business person, how to become a successful businessman. So that will help you. And if you want to become, suppose that you want to, like in your mind comes, like doctor, how to become doctor. And like suppose that you want to become software engineer, then you can search software engineer. In one field your mind will be absolutely get, good information, like, yeah, I got it. After like one and another day, you'll absolutely get your goal. You'll absolutely get your, like, what you want to become. Got it? So start thinking about, like, another field. Start getting knowledge, start getting information in many fields. There are many fields, man. There are many fields to be success. So you can search on YouTube, you can search on YouTube and get information. So that will help you to identify your talent. Your talent is hidden. You have to get out. You'll have to use, like, your talent should not be hide. Because how long you will be, like, hide your talent? So if you want to identify, then do this. Follow three things. First thing it is, build your skill. Which any kind of skill, there is many skill. Second it is at least think 30 minutes daily what I want to become. And third thing it is, if you are not getting anything, like you are thinking but you are not getting anything, so start getting information in many fields, many success field. So you will absolutely get one or another day, you will absolutely get what is uh, in which field I'm really interested. So I hope ki you are really, you got my point. So thank you for watching my video.